in case you're wondering, this is the staircase. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh yeah, so I have got boating, and right now I'm on an island. Yeah, and I have to go boat with my friends. And also the boating has made my hair a little bit. Yeah. Okay. And also there's other boats. We paid for the speedboat. That's why my hair is like that. Okay, so yeah, it's like that. Okay, so okay, now guys, I'm getting off that island. Yeah. And also the boat is about to move, so I'm gonna record the experience. Yeah, look. Yeah, we're about to go by boat, so let's go. Yeah, look at this. Look at the flag is already. Oh wait, it's not enough speed here. And not a bridge. I surely think that's a dam. I know I said this so many times, but I think this looks like, yeah, this looks cool. I wonder if I could touch the water. I don't think I could. Thank you guys for watching my boating vlog. Like and subscribe. Guys, this is the first time I'm seeing a crab. Look at this. Okay guys, in case you're wondering, this is the staircase to the boat. Yeah. So guys,
he is a professional photographer. He will click our photographs.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh yeah, so today we are at the dam. Yep. We are at the dam. And that dam, yeah, it's a dam. It's literally holding that big giant river right over there. Yeah. And also there's a lot of beautiful things. It's a beautiful river, a small river I think, with trees. And including mountains. It's a once in a lifetime.
भगवान, फ्रॉग माउंटेन फाइनली पहुंच ही गया। अब वो ये पाइथन को पुकारेगा। पुकारो पाइथन को, नीचे आओ। और एनाकोंडा 2 हो गया है अभी। मम्मी छोटा में आया था तो एनाकोंडा 1 था। ओके चलो मेरा भी फोटो लो। आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।